A border of uniform width is placed around a rectangular photograph that measures 8 inches by 10 inches. So let's assume that we have a photograph which looks like this. Let's assume that this is 8 inches and this is 10 inches. Now we have to place a border of uniform width. So let's give it a different color and let's assume that this is the border of uniform width around this photo. If the area of the border is 144 square inches, so let me just make it slightly bigger border so that we can easily see it, the area of the border. Now, what is the area of the border? So let's quickly understand that the area of the border is basically this entire part, right? The one that I'm shading right here. This is the shaded region and this is the area of the border. Now the question is, how do we find out this shaded area? So the calculation of the shaded area is quite simple, and that is shaded area is equal to bigger rectangle minus smaller rectangle. Right, now the good thing is that we have the dimensions of the smaller rectangle and we have the area of this border as well. Now let us assume that the uniform width is x. That means on the other side also it will be x. On these two sides also it will be x. That means this entire dimension will be equal to 8 plus this dimension is 8 plus 2x. And similarly, this dimension will be 10 plus 2x. So the area of the bigger rectangle will be equal to 10 plus 2x times 8 plus 2x. Area of the smaller rectangle will be 10 times 8, and the shaded area is, we have been given 144 square inches. All we have to do now is just simplify this. This becomes 80, goes the other side, adds up with 144. 144 plus 80 is 224. We should simplify this again. In fact, we did not need to just add that, because now I see that if you open up the bracket, we have 10 times 8, that is 80, plus 16x plus 20x plus 4x square minus 80. So this can be cancelled out. So now the equation becomes 144 is equal to 4x square plus 36x. Now we can simplify this further. We can cancel this out by 4 on both the sides. So 4 cancels it out by 4, 3 is 12, 4, 6 is 24 is equal to x square plus 9x. That means this becomes x square plus 9x minus 36 is equal to 0. We have a quadratic equation. We can simply factorize it and rewrite it as x square plus 12x minus 3x minus 36 is equal to 0. That means x plus 12 times x minus 3 equal to 0, which means x is either 3 or minus 12. X can't be negative, which means x certainly has to be 3, and that's our answer. The question is, what is the width of the border? And that is 3. Option A is our correct answer. Thank you so much.